the sun rises over Aussie homes, so do the property prices. But what's driving this relentless climb? Let's dive into what's happening and what it means for you. Hello there, Rupali here, your independent buyer's agent, diving into the heart of Australia's property market to unravel the mystery behind soaring prices and shrinking spaces. We are diving straight into the latest on Australia's property markets for the week ending 5th April 2024. Let's break down what's happening in our backyard. First off, it's been crazy for property prices, with CoreLogic's National Home Value Index rising by 0.6% in March alone. That makes 14 straight months of growth, translating to a roughly 72,000 value increases. Tim Lawless, CoreLogic's research director, shares that more affordable capitals like Perth, Adelaide, and Brisbane lead the charge with impressive growth. Despite rate hikes and squeeze on our wallets, the demand for housing still outpaces the supply, keeping those prices on an upward trend. Now, speaking of demand, have you ever wondered which suburbs are hot on the property search list? Well, PropTrack got the goods, revealing that searches in some of Australia's most sought after suburbs have surged by over 40% in the past year. According to PropTrack economist Anne Flaherty, this spike on this online searches is a solid indicator of where the prices might head next. From Balcara in WA to Fairfield in NSW, Aussies are showing us exactly where they are hoping to call home next. Now, what if I told you that your mortgage could move with the flow of Reserve Bank's rates? A parliamentary committee throwing around the idea of tracker mortgages, a move aimed at ensuring banks offer home loans that mirror the Reserve Bank of Australia's cash rate shifts. Already a thing in states, these type of mortgages could mean a fairer deal for Aussies. But it's not without controversies, especially among the banks concerned about their bottom line. Ending on a high note, let's talk about making money in the market. CoreLogic's latest pain and gain report highlights a tasty average gross profit of $310,000 for home sellers in the final quarter of 2023. With 94% of homes selling for more than what their owners paid. Whether you are in the market for a new home or keeping an eye on your investment, it's clear that the Aussie property landscape is shifting. Densification, rising values, and hopeful predictions for interest rates are painting a complex but intriguing picture. Stay tuned and we'll keep you posted with all the twists and turns of the property market down under. If this peek into the property market caught your interest, don't just sit there. Hit like, subscribe for more ongoing insights, and click the notification bell to be the first in the know. I appreciate you watching and we'll be back with more. Until then, keep dreaming big.